Very good. O sige. Sumuyin niya, kuya. Kinuha lang naman niya. Very good na, kuya. Ayan. Don't worry. Kumuha naman kayo ni Kuya Roger. Kung ano gagawin mo. Ganito lang yan, ha. Pag sinabi ni Ate Ina, mag-vote is thinking, group yourself into two, dapat sa isang grupo may ilan. Ilan? Kuya lang yung favorite group, yung quiz ko dito. So, dapat sa isang group, may dalawa. Very good, Kuya. Patingin nga. Ate Ina says, ayun na po, tutulungan ko ni Kuya Roger. Sila Kuya Roger, tulungan mo sila. Yan. Kapag sinabi Ate Ina, mag-vote is thinking, group yourselves into one.
One only.
Bitaw.
Scott nag-count one. One only, Scott.
Kapag sinabi ni Ate Ina, mag-vote is thinking, group yourselves into two.
Two. 1, 2, 2.
Two. Dapat mag-gawag kayo sa bahan. Ganyan dapat yung master ng mga kids. Dapat sa bilisan, ha? Big circle. Listen carefully. Join mo sila kayo sa Cyrus. Ayan. Listen carefully, ha? Mag-vote is thinking. Group yourselves into one. Very good, Ate Zia. One lang, kuya. One, move. Mag-vote is thinking. Group yourselves into one.
One only. Cyrus. One.
Sabay. Mag-vote is thinking. Group yourselves into 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Tanggal. Boom! Tanggal. Magawa ng paraan. Yay!
Mag-vote is thinking. Group yourselves into one.
One only.
Mag-vote is thinking. Group yourselves into two. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Very good. Big circle po yan. Mag-vote is thinking. Group yourselves into 4, 10, 9, 8, 7.
Group hug.
4 kids only.
Naging group hug.
Sa bar lang. Sino na una? Ayaw umalis sa sa'yo. Isa pa. Pati na ako yung Roger, ha? Isa pa. Big circle, ha? Wala na holding hands. Ayan. Wala na. No holding hands niya. Yan, ha? Mag-vote is thinking. Group yourselves into 4, 10, 9, 8, 7. Si Kuya,
Opi.
Ay, sige, wait lang, kuya, kasi tayo yan eh.
Matagal.
Wait lang, ha? Ito na lang. Listen carefully. Ayan, listen carefully. Mag-vote is thinking. Group yourselves into 3, 10, 9, 8. Playing, kuya. Palapakan naman natin yung nag-work natin. Ako pa, nakagaling ni Ate Ina. Yay!
Galing mo. Ano masasabi mo, Scott? Natanggal tayo.